Today class we are discuss about system of non-homogeneous equation in 3 or 2 variable. Let us consider the 3 variables. A linear system composed of the 3 linear equation with 3 variables x, y and z. As a general form, a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. We are considered the 3 equation. So it is in the matrix form. So A matrix, write the coefficient of x, y and z variables. What are the coefficient of x? Here a1, a2, a3. Coefficient of x are a1, a2, a3. What is the coefficient of y? b1, b2, b3. And what is the coefficient of z? c1, c2, c3. This is a matrix we are taking as coefficient of the x, y and z matrices. And capital X denoted for variables. What are the variables? How many variables here? X, y and z. X, y, z. And B matrix equal to this constant term. Here what are the values here? Equal to d1, d2, d3. So B matrix equal to d1, d2, d3. So next one, to find out the augmented matrix. So what is augmented matrix? Means nothing but the combination of A and B. Combination of A and B. So here A matrix and B matrix, write the combination of A and B. A matrix here A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. And B matrix D1, D2, D3. So write the form of the augmented matrix. Next, to find out the rank of AB and rank of A. Testing the consistency of the non-homogeneous linear equation by rank method. So consider the equation Ax equal to B in n unknowns. Here n unknowns mean maybe 2 unknowns or 3 unknowns. Unknown value means x, y, z values. Number of unknown value. It is the form of Ax equal to B. So unknown means here x, y, z variables. So first to find out the rank of A comma B. So if rank of A comma B equal to rank of A, rank of A comma B equal to rank of A means then the equations are consistent. So what is the meaning for consistent? Means it has a solution. If rank of A comma B equal to rank of A, then the system has the solution. That is for the equations are consistent. If rank of A comma B equal to rank of A equal to n, rank of A comma B and rank of A equal to n. N means here number of unknowns. So all the 3 values are equal, then the equations are consistent and has a unique solution. Third one, if rank of A comma B equal to rank of A less than n, then the equation are consistent and has infinitely many solution. And therefore infinitely many solution. If rank of A comma B not equal to rank of A, if rank of A comma B not equal to rank of A mean then the equations are inconsistent. What is the meaning for inconsistent? Mean here no solution. And as a no solution. Consistent means it has a solution. Inconsistent, no solution. We discuss some problems. Show that the equation x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus y equal to 8 are consistent and solve the solution. So the write in the matrix form, that is the matrix equation corresponding to the given system is Ax equal to B. Ax equal to B. That is we are writing for the coefficient of x and y variable. So in the equation, coefficient of x is here 1, coefficient of y is 1. Coefficient of x is here 1, coefficient of y 1. So here 1, 1. Second equation, what is the equation? 2x plus y. Coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 1. 2x plus here 1y meaning. So coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 1. So 2 and 1. So what are the variables? X and y equal to. So equal to what is given? Equal to what? Here 5. Another one is 8. So B matrix 5 and 8. This is a matrix form. Next one, to find the augmented matrix A comma B. Augmented matrix nothing but the combination of A and B. A and B. A matrix what here? 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1 and 5, 8. 5, 8. So it is how many rows here? 1, 2. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So we are converted into the echelon form or triangular form. So here only 2 rows only. So we make the element for this place value is 0. This place value is 0. This place value is 0. So what is given here? R2. R2 here 2, 1, 8. So what is the first element here? 2. 2 is multiplied by R1. What is the first element? I want to make this place value 0. Here 2. So I multiply with 2 means here also 2, 2. So 2 minus 2 easily get for 0 here. So what is the second row? R2 here 2, 1, 8. So 2 is multiplied by R1, 2, 2 and 5 2s are 10. So R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1. So that is equal to. We get the value for 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 8 minus 10, minus 2. So A comma B equal to, what is the first row? 1, 1, 5. The new row is 0, minus 1, minus 2. R2 implies for R2 minus 2 R1. So it is in the echelon form. It is in the echelon form or triangular form. So now find out the rank of A comma B. As it is, see here, here also value, here also some value here. So rank of A comma B is 2. Here number of non-zero row. How many row here? 1, 2. Here also value, here also value. Number of non-zero row is 2. Rank of A comma B equal to 2. And the rank of A, close last column. Now find out the rank of the remaining value for. So here also value, here also some value. So rank of A means first, here 2 by 2 matrix you can choose it. Rank of A means first 2 by 2 matrix, this value. So here also value, here also minus 1 value. It is also rank of A also 2. Rank of A comma B equal to 2. Rank of A also 2. So number of unknown here X and Y only. So that is also true. So all the three values are equal. Rank of A comma B equal to rank of A equal to number of unknown. All the three values are equal. The given system is consistent and has a unique solution. All the three values are equal means that is rank of A comma B equal to rank of A equal to and n means number of unknown. That is also here 2 unknown X and Y. All the values are equal. Therefore the given system is consistent and has a unique solution. The given system is transformed into the matrix form. So 1, 1, 0, minus 1, xy equal to 5 minus 2. Now form the equation 1 into x, x, 1 into y, y equal to 5. 0 into x, 0, minus 1 into y, minus y equal to minus 2. So minus minus cancel, y equal to 2. So y equal to 2, substitute here the equation for the 1. So x plus y equal to 5. Y value is 2. So we get the value for x is equal to 5 minus 2, x is equal to 3. So the solution is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. The solution is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. Similarly, we are discussed for the another problem. Example sum 11. Show that the equations 3x minus 2y equal to 6 and 6x minus 4y equal to 10 are inconsistent. So the matrix equation corresponding to the given system is A matrix and x equal to b, that is Ax equal to b. A value coefficient of x and y, and x number of variables, and b value equal to what are the constant terms are given 6 and 10. Next one, to find out the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix nothing but the combination of A and B. Here 3 minus 2 6, second row 6 minus 4 10. So we are converted into echelon form or triangular form. Make this value is 0. So here 6 first row multiplied by 2 means easily get for 6. So R2, what is R2 here? 6 minus 4 and 10. So 2 into R1 we get the value for 6 minus 4 and 12. So R2 minus 2R1, 6 minus 6 0, minus 4 plus 4 0, 10 minus 12 minus 2 minus 2. So this is R1 and R2. So here it is in the triangular form or echelon form. Now find out the rank of A comma B. Rank of A comma B is 2. Here it is also value. Next one, rank of A. See, rank of A means first 2 by 2 matrix. Here also some value. Here only one value only. See that one. Rank of A comma B means full matrix. So here value, here also value. So rank of A comma B is 2. Rank of A means first 2 by 2 matrix. So here in the first row only value, here 0. So rank of A is 1. So rank of A comma B not equal to rank of A. Rank of A comma B is not equal to rank of A. Therefore the given system is inconsistent and has no solution. The given system is inconsistent and has no solution. Thank you, student.